Above the sleeping road, the old cross watched in silence. At its feet, a weary man waited for the night to pass. But somewhere nearby, terror was already running. He fled blindly into the darkness, straight into a trap. And behind him came death itself. Like the devil hunting a soul, he walked without mercy. One flash of steel, and silence swallowed the alley. The old stones drank the blood as the killer disappeared.
He told me everything.
And now the secret is mine. I almost became... On the road from Birkirkara to St. Julian's, the old cross still watches to this day. Rajt Rajtx Smajt Smajtx.